Hello. You are welcome to another episode of today's video. In today's video, I want to show you top secret websites to get remote jobs, where you can apply for remote jobs. All right. Apart from Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them, this site I'm about to show to you, they are the top secret website you can apply for remote jobs, and they're high paying website. Okay, so you can get there and apply for jobs for yourself, because Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them, these sites you are talking about, they are there is a high level of competition on this side, so you have to up your game before you can apply for this particular website. But now, in this video, I will be showing you top secret websites you can apply to get remote job. All right, so they are high paying, and the good thing about them is that you can work from anywhere in the world. All right, they pay in dollar, and the application process is very easy. You don't need to pay for anything. All you need to do is to apply with your email, and if you qualify for the job, you'll be given to you, and you can work from anywhere in the world. All right, so if today is the first time you're coming to my channel, my name remains Amadi Etiosa. Please do well to subscribe if you have not done so, because I drop quality updates on this my channel. All right, subscribe if you have not done so, smash that like button, and also hit that notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever quality videos like this are posted. Okay, all right, so without wasting much of the time and without some many talk, let's dive into this training, because all these websites I'm about to show to you, I've done my research on them, and they are top notch. Okay, so I will be taking you through one after the other, and I will also take you through the process of how to apply. All right, let's go. The first one we'll be looking at is what's called Flex Jobs. All right, this is it. It's called Flex Jobs. Flex Job is a site you can apply for a remote job from any part of the world. It's called Flex Job, and they have different category. They have the hybrid, they have the flexi, and they have the remote. All right, whichever one of them you qualify for, you can have it there. And now, if you come here, they have this search bar. You can see what I said. You can search for customer support, and if I come here and I search for United States. All right, good. Sorry, search for United States. Can you see now, work anywhere in the United States? Okay, so once you do that, you can see tons of job. You can see account manager, you can see senior developer, infrastructure engineer, you can see account executive, you can see enterprise account executive, and many more. All right, so you can see all of this part here. They have different category depending on the one you are looking for. If you come here now, for example, and I search for digital marketer, for example, search for digital marketer. Right, can you see that I'm a digital marketer? Right, and I hit on search. Okay, good. Can you see digital marketer? All right, this was posted yesterday. Can you see that this was posted yesterday? You can see it 100% remote. If you want to work remotely, it's fine. If you want to work, and the job is from Canada and US. All right, you can see executive marketing initiatives, develop unique strategy, measure and report on campaign performance, and manage digital marketing project. 1 to 10 years experience on this particular job. Can you see that now? Can you see another one is called digital growth marketer? All right, you have digital media director, you have event and community marketer, you have growth marketer. All of this, and the good thing about them is that they have their own specification, and this is something that most of you are very good at. Now let's go back again. Let's search for web developer. Let's search for web developer. All right, web developer, or better, you can see web developer. All right, and I hit on search. Okay, I hit on search. Can you see that now? Web developer. You can see develop responsive web pages, maintain CMS, and this particular one you are seeing there, you can use WordPress. All right, WordPress can do this job for you. Can you see this one now? Build high performing and responsive enterprise website. All right, can you see this now? These are top secret website that, apart from most people person, they are familiar with Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them, but this one you are seeing there, they are top notch. They are top notch. You can come here and apply for job. Okay, so you see how other one is. You can see senior front end web developer. All right, you have web developer engineer, you have fintech, and the rest of them. Okay, so that is that. Now let's search for web designers. Let's search for web designers, so you know that that skill you have is enough. All right, can you see this now? Web designer. Let's search. Okay, Can you see this now? Web designer. Okay, web designer. You have web designer. You can see web designer. You can see web designer. You can see web designer. All right. It says working with project manager to help brief and advise clients regarding design styles, format, production timeline, develop strong concept and layout with WordPress, print and logo design, work with senior web designers. All right. So you can see this particular one now. This was posted some days ago, can see that 30 days ago, and what have you. There are many more. If you check on recent dates, you get all of those things. And if you want to filter it, you can come here and filter. All right, you can come here and filter for the particular job you want. Now, for this particular website, if you want to apply, you come over to where you have your sign up here. You can see that now. You come here, sign up, and I always advise that this particular job this ones I'm saying, they are legit business you can do. So it is not advisable for you to come here and start using fake identity. Use your legit information. If that be the case, create a legit email, right, that you can use for all these processes, right? Get it and follow this, because this thing I'm saying, they are legit hustle you can face. Imagine having 3 or 4 clients from any part of the world. You are occupied enough, right? You are occupied enough. So you need to take these things seriously and focus on it, right? So this is the first one. So to get access to this, just come here, hit on sign up if you have not signed up. Once you click on sign up now, this is it. All right, you put in your legit name, your first name and your last name, your email address. All right, then you put your password. You are good to go. You sign up and you have access to this. All right, so this is the first one called Flex Jobs. Flex Jobs. So the second one which I'll be looking at is what we call WWR, which is called We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is another platform that you can apply for remote job. There are secret websites you can apply for remote jobs. All right, most of the jobs you have here, you can see now post job for this is so you can see this one now, this job, senior full stack Python developer. All right, if you're a developer, this is an opportunity for you to get your remote job. You have senior race developer, you have full stack Java developer, you have race native mobile developer, you have race developer, you have all of this. Okay, so you can see that these ones are mostly for developers. Okay, so you can do that if you are a good developer. You can see Android developer. All right, you can see team lead at AI training data and the rest of them. All right, so this is also an opportunity for those of you who are good with developing. You are a front-end developer, you are a back-end developer, you are a full stack developer, Python and the rest of them. You are good with all of these things. This is an opportunity for you to grab all of this and look at them. They were put, today's date is what, 11. Can you see that now? This was posted some few hours ago. All right, few hours ago. Now if you want to learn more about this, you just click on it. Right, you click on it now. So once you do so, you get the full detail about the job. Right, you get the full detail about the job. So this is an opportunity. And now look at the engineer they're looking for: full-time, full stack programming. All right, and African only, Americans only. These are the people that can apply for this job. All right, so you can see that it's very, very good for you. So if you want to apply, you click on apply for this position. Right, you click on apply for this position, and if you meet their criteria, you will be given access. Okay, you'll be given access. So this is the second platform you can apply for job if you are a developer. Right, if you are a developer, come here, subscribe, and get access to tons of remote job you can work with. All right, so this is the second one. The third one we shall be looking at is what we call remote.co. It's called remote.co. This is another platform that you can apply for remote job. This is both for developer and the rest of them. Whichever categories you fall into, you can apply for jobs here. Now, if you come here, you can see where it says remote accounting and finances. You can see if you are into the accounting sector, you can see this now. Some of these jobs you are seeing, they are posted. You can see them 7 hours ago, 3 days ago, right? Can you see this one? This is for customer service job. You can see it was posted 3 days ago. And you can see that now it's 100%. You can see it remote, freelance, and international. All right. So these are the jobs you can apply to. All right. You still have other ones down. Okay. Let me just close this. You can still have other one. You can see this is SEO. Right. You can see that remote design job. If you are into US and UI design, you can see this is also an opportunity. If you are a developer, this is also an opportunity. If you are an editor, this is also an opportunity. video editor, and the rest of them. In this, the reason why I so much love this remote.co is that it works across all categories, whether you're a developer, a fintech person, or any kind of particular person you are, this will work for you. All right. So to get access to this job, now let's pick one and examine. So let's say we want to look for let's look at, you can also see virtual assistant. Let's look for this now, virtual assistant. Let's look at it. So if you click on virtual assistant now, you can see different. Now you can see this one now, personal assistant to CEO. All right, full time and international. You can see that executive assistant, administrative operator assistant, executive assistant, and the rest of them. Now let's look at it and see how it works. So if you meet any of the criteria, can you see the salary now? It says they pay $18 per hour. Can you see? $18 per hour. This was posted 4 days ago and it's remote, it's 100% remote. Okay, can you see this now? Now, you say why billing? You see, sometimes there are so many opportunities for us to work with, but due to laziness or procrastination, some of us don't want to go into any of these things. All right. So now look at the, imagine being able to get $18 per hour, and maybe you work for like 6 hours in a day, you work 7 hours in a day, times it. Let me just show you some things. Let me check my calculator now. Right. Let me just show you some things so you know that. All right. I type in my calculator here. All right. So this is what we're talking about, $18, all right, times 7. Right? You get it now, $126. This is per day. Now times it by the current exchange rate now. Right? Can you see how much you are making per day? Can you see how much you are making per day? So it means that there are so many opportunities for us to work with. All right. So if you are getting this now, this is per day. Now times it by 7 days. Can you see how much? Can you see how much is this? So it means that there is so much opportunity for us, but sometimes we don't want to take action. Okay, so that is for this. So imagine being an executive assistant to someone and you are getting paid 18 hours per day. And now, once you come down to this part here, you will see the job description. Right, you will see the job description. Right, is stated there. Job description. Are you looking for this? So this is per now. You can see it says maintain executive appointment order, email management, prepare presentation, and the rest of them, social media management. These are the job description that you will need to have, you will need to be carrying out every day. All right, can you see this now? Then key attributes, detail oriented. These are the things you need to have. Right now, they have their qualification there. You can see this now. Daily available daily, Monday to Friday during business hour. These are the time you need to be working. This is your working hour. All right. So and this thing, your major part is being able to work with your a fast and reliable internet connection. This is what you need to work remotely. All right. Either you are applying for this or any other job, you need to have access to internet and a good network. All right. So that's why they said a fast and a reliable internet connection, smartphone with email capability, and the rest of them. Can you see this now? So imagine applying for this and you are getting paid $18 per hour. Is a whole lot of money currently in Nigeria. All right. So this is the number 3 platform you can apply for remote job. Alright, the fourth one we shall be looking at is what we call justremote.co. Justremote.co. Justremote.co is another platform you can apply for remote job. Alright, so if you come over to justremote.co, you can see different type of job you can apply to: project management, marketing, editing, designs, HRO, writing, social media. Now let's look at social media. Let's look at social media. Can you see this now? Paid social specialist. That means being able to run advert, paid social management, social media associate, all right, and what have you. These are so many jobs you can apply for in your as a remote worker. All right. If I click on this now, you can see the job description. Right, it says here is what you will do. All right, here's what you will do. Can you see that? Channel strategy: work closely with other marketing strategists and creative on the plan and how you can do so many stuff like that. So you can see the experience: 2 years on managing paid campaign for clients at various industries and the rest of them. Salary and pack. Okay, unlimited vacation time, 8 weeks pay, family leave. Can you see all of those things? These are some of the things. Okay, this is only available to US resident. Okay, this is only available to US resident. So which means that or if you are not from US, you cannot apply to this job. So there are other options you can apply as a remote worker. All right, while some are just exclusive for some persons, there are some that are open to everybody. All right, so you do that and get your job. So if you meet the criteria, you can come here and say quick apply. All right, quick apply, and if you meet the requirement, you'll be called to give the job a trial. All right, this is the fourth job description you can apply to, job secret website you can apply to. The last we shall be looking at is what we call Remotive. All right, it's called Remotive. Okay, this platform, they are all legit. All right, it said find your dream remote job without the hustle. All right, this platform, they are all legit, so you don't need to come here and be using fake identity. All right, sometimes they will have to call you via Zoom or any of those platforms, Zoom, Team, or Skype. Okay, so they will need to call you to confirm that this person they are talking to is legit. So that's the more reason why you need to apply with a legit information. Okay, so you can see this one too. There are so many jobs here. All right, this is just for Germany. There are other ones. Look at this one, and they pay 50K to 70K per year or something, if I'm not mistaken. All right, this is a freelancer. If you're a good writer, you can apply for this job there. You can see this one there. This is a US and a UI design. Okay, you are seeing other developer, software engineers, all right, JavaScript developer, all right, you and okay, full stack developer, all right, full stack developer. You have other, see, campaign management. Okay, you can see that there are so many opportunities for you to grab. Okay, this platform are legit, like I said before. If you are interested, kindly take your time, go through this website one after the other, and make sure you strategize in applying for this job. And if you meet requirements, you definitely be contacted, and once you get the job, all well and good. All right, so these are platforms that you can apply for remote job, whether you're a Nigerian or outside Nigeria. Get the job done and get your paid delivered to you. All right, so hope you got value from this particular video, and if you do, like I said, subscribe if you have not done so, because I drop quality update on my channel. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. If you have any challenge, if you need more clarification, kindly drop in the comment section, and I will be glad to respond to you all. Thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.